Today I'm gonna show my Zippo tricks that I can do. Yeah, that's it. I can link my Spotify playlist after this video if you want to, or I can say all the songs in the description or something, I don't know. But let's start. Fuck. Why doesn't it work? I got a text message, but I don't gonna answer it now. So I can't do it with this sound. What else can I do? This is good. Fuck. No. So this is pretty easy. If you can knäppa fingrarna som that we say in Swedish with left hand and a right hand. I think most of you have heard of Twilight Zone, or people call it Twilight Zone, I don't know. But I gotta do it now, and I just need to. Oh my god. This is so awesome, I love that trick. Just gonna fix the wire like that. Chainsaw. Fuck that. No. This. So I can have a little tutorial to do all these tricks I made on this spin here. I hope that most of you can do it, because it's pretty easy. You take your fingers like this, pull these fingers backwards with all your power in your hand, and then it's gonna be like this again. Hold your Zippo and try it. This. Then knuckle up. You hold the Zippo like this. You have just this tip between your fingers like that. It should not hit your hand because it hurts as hell. And then you hit against your other hand like that. It's pretty easy. Then this, you just hold the hat, I say, like this, and it should do like that, and then you spin it around so it comes here on your hand, then you like that, then you hit it and light it. It's pretty easy, but if you do the wrong thing, it hurts a little bit, but no worry, you learn it. And yeah, this is just like it's easy. I can still do the Twilight Zone. cons. But yeah, this was some of the tricks I have learned, and I hope you like it. Bye!